Hey guys, welcome back to day 28 of our Java course. Today we are going to take all the OP concepts we learned so far, like classes, objects, constructors, methods, encapsulation, and use them to build a mini banking system simulation. This will feel like a real world app where user can create bank account, deposit money, withdraw, check their bank balance. So let's create the bank account class first. Class bank account, private string account holder, private int account number, private double balance. Let's build a constructor. Public bank account, string account holder, int account number, double initial balance. This dot account holder equal to account holder. This dot account number equal to account number. This dot balance equal to initial balance. Let's have a deposit method. Public void deposit double amount. If amount greater than 0, balance plus equal to amount. System.out.println deposit dollar plus amount plus successfully. Else system.out.println invalid deposit amount. We should also have a withdraw method. Public void withdraw double amount. If amount greater than 0 and amount less than or equal to balance. Balance minus equal to amount. System.out.println withdraw dollar plus amount plus successfully. Else system.out.println insufficient balance or invalid amount. And a check balance method. Public void check balance system.out.println account holder plus account holder, system.out.println account number plus account number, system.out.println current balance plus balance. And testing the banking system in main. Public class banking system, public static void main string args, and we need to create a new bank account. Bank account 1 equal to new bank account, Tony Stark 1000 5000. And to perform transactions, account 1 dot check balance, account 1 dot deposit 2000, account 1 dot withdraw 1500, account 1 dot check balance, and the output will be account holder Tony Stark, account number 1001, current balance $5,000, deposited 2000 successfully, withdraw 1500 successfully, account holder Tony Stark, account number 1001, check balance 5500.